Papa up in the house. Ooh-wee! Look at all this equipment. So if you're looking on my Instagram page, you'll see that I posted these amps up there to try to figure out which one I'm going to put on that SCAR 10 that I have. I actually got a box for it. It's tuned like to 34 hertz, but I'm only going to put one on there. So which amp did I choose? I chose Big Brutus right here. I'm gonna go with this amp they put on the 110, and these two amps will go back up in the stash. So we at the Trailblazer, and just look. Hey, if y'all want to look at this series on these, this right here, go in my playlist and just look at the door panels. Playlist should be 3 videos on this. Yeah, put the tweeters in. Nice. So we're back here in the vehicle, and I've already got the mids and highs hooked up to this Rafa Fosgate T400-4. So the plan is to try to make some room for that Brutus in here. What I'll do is I'll probably try to maybe set that panel up here. I'm not going to plug up that cap that's on there because I don't really need it. So I changed my mind and I thought, man, why mess up all that pretty wiring that I got on this cap? So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to charge the cap and just go ahead and run the fuse block that's right here onto the other side of the power, which is right here. So all I'm gonna do is just plug this up right here, this other side of the power, to this fuse block, boom, and it'll cut this on. So going inside of my bin of wire, spare wires, to see what I can find. It's 4 gauge, and I can extend that ground wire from the cap. So I found this, however, it's all aluminum. I found this one, but this is my OFC 4 gauge. I don't think I want to use that. Use something a little cheaper. So this right here is the Cadence 4 gauge. Not quite true 4 gauge, but this was copper clad aluminum. So I think I'll use this. I've got plenty of it. So we put that in on the cap, and then I'll just stretch it over to here. And I'm not gonna cut the wire. I'm gonna just use the end and throw it in here. It's not really gonna matter, you know. Like I said, it's just a little temporary. So I'll strip this end of the wire and put it in on this ground block right here, and that should ground the cap. And this is the other end of my power cable. So we'll just plug that right there. Put that on there like that. Screw it down so it doesn't go anywhere. So in order to charge the cap, you need something like this. You can get these from Rafa Fosgate. I got it off of a Rafa Fosgate cap that I had. So this is a little easier than using a resistor. So one end of it goes to the cap, and then the other end goes to the power source. So hopefully I got everything right on here. So when I touch this with this wire, start charging up. So let's see. Nope. So So maybe I don't got a fuse up under the hood. There we go. Yeah, I don't have a fuse on that other wire. So now it's charging up. So we'll give this a minute right here to charge. Now that we know everything cuts on, let's go hunt a box. So this is what we're going with. The Scar 10. Look at that thing, still look new. This is the, I know these are discontinued because they came out with a new version, but these are the VVX 10 V2 dual 4 RMS 600 watts. I mean, that's pretty good. The only problem with this one, I believe, is that it doesn't fit flush down in there. See, there's some play like that. See that? There's a little bit of play. So what I'm gonna do is take my router and trim this up a little bit so it'll sit down in there. So now we got a good tight fit. It's in there real tight. Now all we've got to do is plug the speaker up. So this is what we ended up with after all of the install. I even put it upside down just to remind me that this is a temporary deal. So look, there it is. And I know y'all begging, wanting to see how it sounds, so let's turn it on.
Bombs, bombs, bombs.
So I said stay tuned to the end of this video, and we're gonna do a little giveaway. Let's see what I got in here that I don't need. That's usually how it goes, right? Yeah, man. You probably looked at the thumbnail and was trying to figure out why these were showing. Well, it's gonna be a giveaway. So let's take a look at these. This one's open. And this one's not. So what do you got to do to get this giveaway right here? All you got to do, leave a comment in this video, like and subscribe. You got to be subscribed to the channel in order to win this. And I'll do the giveaway in 2 weeks from today. For 2 weeks from the day that I upload this video, rather. So won't be no tricks, no gimmicks. Won't be no you know, I'm gonna wait till I get this many subscribers and I decide to change my mind and do this. Nah, you like, subscribe, and put a comment in the video, and then you have to put that comment in there. You have to be subscribed. That's the main 2 things. Another thing, man, you got to be in the US, because I'm not trying to ship no crap overseas. So yeah, you got to be in the US. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Achoo, man. That's it. Peace out.